Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise that relaxes your mind and body by progressively tensing and relaxing muscle groups throughout your entire body. You will tense each muscle group vigorously but without straining, and then suddenly release the tension and feel the muscle relax. You will tense each muscle for about 5 seconds. If you have any pain or discomfort at any of the targeted muscle groups, feel free to omit that step. Throughout this exercise, you may visualize the muscles tensing and a wave of relaxing flowing over them as you release that tension. It is important that you keep breathing throughout the exercise. Now, let's begin. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down in a location where you will not be interrupted. Allow your attention to focus only on your body. If you begin to notice your mind wandering, bring it back to the muscle you are working on. Take a deep breath through your abdomen. Hold for a few seconds and exhale slowly. Again, as you breathe, notice your stomach rising and your lungs filling with air. As you exhale, imagine the tension in your body being released and flowing out of your body. And again, inhale and exhale. Feel your body already relaxing. As you go through each step, remember to keep breathing. Now, let's begin. Tighten the muscles on your forehead by raising your eyebrows as high as you can. Hold for about 5 seconds. Now, release, feeling that tension fall away. Now smile widely, feeling your mouth and cheeks tense. Hold for about 5 seconds and release, appreciating the softness in your face. Next, tighten your eye muscles by squinting your eyelids tightly shut. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Gently pull your head back as if to look at the ceiling. Hold for about 5 seconds and release, feeling the tension melting away. Now, feel the weight of your relaxed head and neck sink. Breathe in and out. In and out. Let go of all the stress. In and out. Now, tightly but without straining, clench your fists and hold this position until I say stop. Hold for about 5 seconds. Stop and release. Now, flex your biceps. Feel the buildup of tension. You may even visualize that muscle tightening. Hold for about 5 seconds and release, enjoying that feeling of limpness. Breathe in and out. Now, tighten your triceps by extending your arms out and locking your elbows. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Now, lift your shoulders up as if they could touch your ears. Hold for about 5 seconds and quickly release, feeling their heaviness. Tense your upper back by pulling your shoulders back, trying to make your shoulder blades touch. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Tighten your chest by taking a deep breath in. Hold for 5 seconds and exhale, blowing out all of the tension. Now, tighten the muscles in your stomach by sucking in. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Gently arch your lower back. Hold for about 5 seconds. Relax. Feel the limpness in your upper body, letting go of the tension and stress. Hold for about 5 seconds and relax. Tighten your buttocks. Hold for about 5 seconds. Release. Imagine your hips falling loose. Tighten your thighs by pressing your knees together, as if you were holding a coin between them. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Now, flex your feet, pulling your toes towards you and feeling the tension in your calves. Hold for about 5 seconds and relax. Feel the weight of your legs sinking down. Curl your toes under tensing your feet. Hold for about 5 seconds. Release. Now, imagine a wave of relaxation slowly spreading through your body, beginning at your head and going all the way down to your feet. Feel the weight of your relaxed body. Breathe in and out. In, out. In, out. If you closed your eyes already, you are free in any time to open them again.